Go! Layla at 9 months.
My feet.
Come here, Layla. Show Mama how you learn to crawl. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Layla crawling. Come to Mama. Layla at 9 months. Crawling away. Good job, Layla. Come here, show me how fast you can crawl. Good job, Munchkin. Good job crawling. Put those knees up, there you go. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Good job. Let me catch you from. Good job. Turning around.
Too.
Come this way. Crawl to Mama, Layla. Hi, Layla.
Look at me.
Can you crawl to Mama? Show Grandpa and Grandma what they're missing out on. There you are.
No, I came up. No, my turn. That's the cheese.
Good job, Layla.
That's the cheese.
You're doing so well, yeah.
That's the you will. That's the cheese.
Come and get us, Layla. Come and crawl over here. Use those knees.
That's the cheese. Come back. Later. Come back. Mommy, I'm gonna have later.
You're helping her?
I can't help her.
I know, but she has to learn on her own, huh?
Yeah.
Come and crawl to Mama, Layla.
I'm a daddy.
Come to Callie, Layla. Come to Mama, Layla.
Come later. Come later.
Callie, let her be.
Okay, to me, I call you too. I call you too. I call you too.
You're crawling too?
Picture me.
Yeah, I have a picture of you crawling with Layla.
It said, go, go, go. Go. It said, go. Yep, 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 yep.
Go get her, Layla. Go get your sister. You're doing so well.
This is cheese. This is cheese.
Yeah, this is Layla at 9 months, crawling away. Hi, Munchkin. You crawl all the way to Mama.
Cuppling.